So we've got food expert Nikole Gonzalez here joining us. Thanks so much for being here. Hello health nuts, welcome back to the vlog. Today Cashew's running past me. Today is so sunny and gorgeous. It's like 20 degrees, which is really hot. I think it's our first like hottest day yet. Just finished having lunch. Actually, we've been filming all morning for some other stuff. Just smashed Smart Sweets pack because that's delicious. And we're actually gonna be doing some work outside. So we just got like a ton of dirt delivered this morning on our driveway or on the grass, and we actually needed it for one of our large, we have 2 garden beds in the back that we got custom made by this amazing local carpenter. I'll try to, I know a bunch of people asked me already on Instagram who the company was. I think Matt just said he found him online. Like, I don't know if it was through Facebook or Kijiji, but yeah, it's not like an official company, but he's just a carpenter that was like selling custom made garden beds. So I'll try to see if I can find like his link or something and link it down below. I'm gonna put this down because my arm's getting tired. So this is actually gonna be mine and Matt's first official year gardening by ourselves, besides like a flower bed in the front that totally died and I have to redo. We are gonna be growing some vegetables. So I have already planted a herb garden. I did that just last week, and I was gonna do the vegetables, but I was worried that there might be like one more frost coming in. So we waited and we are doing it today. So the other thing we needed was some more dirt. Because we have some really good quality soil that we're gonna put on the top half of the garden bed for the vegetables to like soak up, but it's a pretty deep garden bed, so it would be really expensive for us to like get individual bags to fill them up. So we actually just got like a yard of dirt. I don't know if that's like the right measurement. A yard? You can get a yard, is that a weight measurement or just like a distance? I don't know. So we got a huge load of dirt delivered to our home this morning, which was pretty great. And it was so inexpensive, as opposed to like getting them delivered in one big bag, and then you don't have to worry about disposing of the bag. This is just a little bit more eco-friendly. So we got that dropped off. So we're gonna basically, by we, I mean Mr. Matt, is gonna use the wheelbarrow to basically lug it in the backyard to fill up our garden bed, and then we're gonna plant our veggies. So let's go in the back and check out the plants. Also, I love this hat. Everyone was making fun of me last year for buying a hatless or a topless hat, and I love it. It keeps me cool, but it also protects my face from the sun. So it's so sunny out here. I got Mr. Matt here. Hello, sir. So basically we have this garden bed. It's 8 by 3 and I think 2 feet deep. Okay, so we're gonna fill that up, and then we're gonna put our Pro Mix soil. I've been working with them, doing some Instagram stuff, and I actually used them last year, so pretty awesome to be working with them. They're like all organic, really high quality soil, so we're gonna put that good stuff on the top. But the soil that we got for the bottom is like a triple, what's it called? Triple mix, so it's like compost, manure and soil. So it's apparently really good for vegetables, so that's what we're gonna lay down. We got the wheelbarrow, which I just found out it's not wheelbarrow, it's wheelbarrow. Did you know that?
Wheelbarrow, that's what I call it.
Oh, barrow. I still don't know.
Barrow.
No, it's not barrel.
It's B-A-R-R-O-W. Wheelbarrow.
Hey, Chloe. All right, so let me show you what's happening here. So this is the other, oh, you can see my shadow in my hat. But yeah, this is our small garden bed that I wanted for herbs, so it can be like right next to the door. I got some garlic chives. I think this is peppermint. I can't remember, tarragon, I'm not sure. Oregano. I should have labeled them. I'm sure I just taste them and know. Purple basil. We got some sage, which I love. Regular basil. I think this one's thyme for sure. And then we got some dill, and maybe this one's tarragon. I don't actually know what that is. So that is what is growing in our herb garden. I also just bought some Thai basil, which I love, so I might try to like squeeze him in there. My issue is I think I'm overcrowding, but I just like to keep herbs together, and I couldn't decide because I'm indecisive, so I got them all. Okay, so then this is the vegetable selection that we got There's like, well, there's some fruit in here too. There's strawberries, tomatoes. These are beets. I just thought those would be cool to see grow. This is the Thai basil. This is some purple cabbage, which I wasn't gonna get cabbage because it's kind of big for our garden, but I got lettuces, I got kales and stuff. What else do we have? Oh, radish, which I'm excited about. So we need to get these into the ground like ASAP. Cashew, we have to put you inside. Matt's got the dirt. We also just leveled this out a bit with some planks of wood. Looking good, muscle man. It's deceiving how much dirt this is gonna need.
I know.
It's like that was just one and it barely dented it. Can I get an iced lemonade, please? Sun is starting to go down, but we're gonna just start figuring out, I guess, where we want the plants to go. I don't know if I should like group tomatoes next to tomatoes, lettuce next to lettuce. I'm just gonna kind of space it out, and you know what, we'll learn from this experience. I know, I was saying we didn't look up like the spacing and stuff. I think they might say on the tags. Also, I want to order some like cute little tags and stuff off Amazon so we can actually write what each plant is. So for now I'll just stick the one that it came with in the dirt, and then I'll get some off Amazon or something so they look like a little Pinteresty. Officially covered in dirt and the plants are planted. I mean, some of them looked a little dead coming out of the pot, but I think there's a seed in there somewhere. It'll sprout up. And I made sure to leave like all of the tags, otherwise I will definitely forget what they are. There's kind of this random space here, but other than that I feel like they're spaced all right. There's definitely more room on this side. That's like all lettuce and stuff, so I think it just looks fuller because of the leaves. So I'm gonna give everything a good water. I also have to water that hanging one there. And then hopefully they survive overnight. But you know, I think a few of them that look a little sad will come to life. I think honestly, the roots on some of them were so big, I think they just needed to be planted. Also, something we're trying to do is to revive some of these dead spots from cashews peeing everywhere. We've kind of just neglected it, so over time the grass has just died. So we were just like raking it up with this tool. You probably saw Matt using it. And then we put some grass seed and some fresh topsoil on. And I'm just gonna give it a bit of a water tonight, and I'm hoping that the bald spots grow back. Da-da-da, da-da-da. I do know it's better to water them more when it's kind of cooling down as opposed to just like right in the middle of the day when it's the hottest, because otherwise they will burn. So it's good to give them a nice water at night. That's gonna be it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed behind the scenes of creating our little garden oasis / backyard, and fingers crossed that these plants actually grow. And yeah, please leave me your like gardening suggestions and tips down below. I would love to know. Please don't criticize me too bad because I'm new at this, and really it's just like about like experimenting, having fun, and watching things grow. I think it's gonna be really like entertaining over the summer just to like peek on them in the morning, seeing if there's anything like new sprouting, and just keeping my little plant babies alive. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you aren't already. Hit that red subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and also comment of the day today: are you gardening this spring / summer? I would love to know. And what are you most excited to plant? I'm really excited about the radish, the beets, and the Brussels sprouts. Those are gonna be cool. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. I'm like, people are watching me vlog. Back inside, back inside, back inside.